In this video, I'll be showing you how to download Windows 10 October 2020 ISO file directly from Microsoft site for free, and it is 100% legitimate. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search Windows 10 download, and you could see the first one, download Windows 10 disk image. You can click on that and you'll be redirected to this page, and here you select your edition, that is Windows 10, and click on confirm. And here you get an option to select the language. For me, I am choosing English International and click on confirm. And you could see here we have 62-bit version and 32-bit version. For your architecture, choose your version and click on download button. And you could download. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.